First, draw out the picture. Now outline with respective colors and erase the pencil. Next, draw fire on the lips. Outline fire with orange color. Start coloring the fire using orange and yellow color. Now, start coloring remaining lips from light to dark in circular motion with black color. Use tissue under your hand so that colors don't spread. Then, erase the teeth and draw with pointed pencil. Color inner part of the mouth with black. Next, start coloring chili with red color from light to dark. Now I'm using dark green color. To bring a bit reality to the teeth, use light pink color for gums. Now, make shadows between the teeth and under the lips. Use white pen for the highlights. Also shade the upper part of the chili. And here's our result.